Hey guys, how's it going? Gonna TIG weld up a little project for work today. Been getting a little bit of practice in here, so we'll try to, just gonna do a little fuse tack here to start out with here without any filler wire. So I'll take a couple of welds here and then I'll show you it. Okay. Got that guy right there. Just a little fuse weld. I'll clean that corner up a little bit. Throw another one on here. Okay, little fuse weld there. And we'll go to, next one we'll go to setting this guy on here. Like this. And I'll turn you off for a second while I get that clamped up, and then we'll come back to that. Okay. There's a little filler metal in here. Put this one on. Okay. Little tack right there. Did another little one over on this side a second ago off camera. So I'm going to weld that up a little bit and bring you back in a second here. Okay guys, well I've been doing a little welding here while we've been gone, and what I'll come up with here, not too bad. So when I continue a little bit later, what we're going to do, I'm going to set this guy on here, and this is like a handle to turn with your pipe wrench, and then these guys will go in here like this, and this is an oil cap, and this will eventually go down inside and grab on. There's notches on the inside right there and right there, and there's little tabs on these. These guys line up like so. And then they got some nuts on there. We'll tighten those nuts down. And there's a couple of them right here. I don't use these, but these came with the clamp, so I'll throw them on there real quick. And you only have to go about hand tight with these guys, and see how that grips on that really good. This gets welded on there, and your pipe wrench just goes on there. And there's these smaller little aluminum caps, and these guys slip over it like that, and then the other end of the bar is welded up there, so you got a double-ended wrench. So I'll get these guys ready to go, and we'll do a little weld and finish that up. All right. Okay, guys, I'm going to make a little pass on the handle part here. Guys, there it is. So that's pretty much I got to finish welding up around there, but once these guys are locked in here like this, put this guy in here like this here. Like I said, all we got to do is go about hand tight, and there you go. These guys, if this is your average oil pipe coming out of the ground, and where these come in real handy is, oh, there's no threads on this guy, but one of these other ones like this, it has threads on it. These guys can get awfully tight, and when they're in a piece of 6-inch drain tile below the surface like that, there's no way to get your pipe wrench on there. So run this guy down on there like so. Like I said, just like hand tight here. I'll just give you an example. This is just by hand alone how much leverage you can get on that. So you can imagine if this was down inside of a 6-inch drain tile, you could slip that down and get a hold of that cap. So that works real good. And a lot of them, these vary in sizes. This one's a little bigger, that's why I had to come up with that other end. But a lot of these caps have these aluminum ones on as well, and they can get awfully tight down there too, and they're all the same size. So this guy flips around and goes on this end like that, and they're all the same. And there again, you get a pipe wrench on that thing, and you can break it, even if you have to put a breaker bar on the end. Okay, guys, well, thanks for watching. So that's the tool there, and I'll finish welding her up and give it a coat of paint, and she's ready to go. All right, thanks for watching.